Hello friends, today we will learn how to display current date and time in Excel. We all work in office, we make various data sheets, so date and time function is very important. There are basically two types of functions. First one is dynamic. If we open file today, it will display today's date and time, and if we open file any other day, it will display date and time of that day. Another one is fixed. If I make any MS Excel document today, I want that the time and date which I enter will remain same whenever I open the file. Then we use this function. These two important functions we will understand today. We'll learn shortcut also, and this will be very useful in your official work. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe. We are coming with many videos on MS Excel which will help you in your official work. Let's start. Let us first understand dynamic function. How to display current date and time in Excel. For displaying today's date, we use equal sign, today, bracket start, bracket close, enter. You can see 15th May 2021 it is showing. Similarly, for date and time, we use equal to NOW now, bracket start, bracket close, enter. It is showing 15th May 2021 and time is 02:15. If this file I save and close and I open this file after 7 days or 10 days, then this box will display the date and time of that day, not today, and it will change dynamically automatically. No need to write again and again. Now understand what is fixed. For today's date, press Ctrl and semicolon. It will display immediately today's date. Now this date is fixed. Now you can see in the screen it is showing 15/05/2021. What for time? It will Control Shift semicolon. You can see 02:16. The benefit of this function is that if I open this file after 6 day, 5 day, any day, any time, it will display 02:16. It will not change. If you find this session useful, then please subscribe. Thank you.